trigonometry. Which problem? Eighth problem. Okay. In given according to problem, height of the statue or pedestal. How many? 1 point.
Statue 1.6.
STA. Statue of height how many meter? 1.6 meter. Next, angle of elevation. How many degrees?
60 degrees.
First one is 60 degrees. Next, angle of elevation, height of the pedestal.
Yes, sir.
PD ST pedestal యొక్క height ఏమనుకుంటాం మనము?
H meters.
H meter. Angle of elevation how many degrees?
45 degrees.
45 degrees. That one distance means you assume D meter. Listen, to drawing diagram, height of the pedestal is equal to H meter. Height of the statue how many meter? 1.6 meter. Let height of the listen, height of the statue STA statue is equal to how many meter?
1.6 meters.
1.6 meter. And height of the you assumption H meter. So what యొక్క height ఏమనుకున్నాం మనం? H meter. Distance of the pedestal. How many meter? D meter. First of all, to draw a small triangle, it's like that. Tan 45 is equal to opposite side by angle of elevation. Angle of elevation is equal to first one is 60 degrees, second one is 45 degrees. Next, tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees is equal to tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side H meter, adjacent side D meter. So that is equal to H by D. Tan 45 value how much? 1. So 1 is equal to H by D. By using cross product, D is equal to H. Are you understand? Next, to drawing full diagram. Tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite side into total number add same 1.6 plus H. Tan theta is equal to 1.6 plus H by D. Opposite side by adjacent. Opposite tan 60 opposite side is చూడండి ఇదే కదా. సో టోటల్ అన్నప్పుడు 1.6 మీటర్ ప్లస్ H మీటర్. సో opposite side by adjacent side. Adjacent side మనం ఏమనుకున్నాము? D మీటర్. సో కాబట్టి 1.6 H by tan 60 value root 3 is equal to 1.6 plus H divided by by using root 3 into D how much ma? Root 3D is equal to 1.6 plus in a given above problem D means D equal to H. D plus plane H. So root 3 into H is equal to 1.6 plus H. So root 3 H plus H transpose. It's the same method.
Minus H.
So minus H is equal to 1.6. Okay. It is given which is the common.
H.
H is the
Common.
common. So next H is into how much? Root 3. Root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.5. చూడండి which common చేసినాం అనుకో root 3 into h root 3 h 1 into root 3 into h ఏమైతే root 3 h root 3 into 1 ఏమైతుంది 1 కామన్ h కామన్ చేసినాం కదా 1 into h ఏమైతుంది h is equal to 1.6 next h is equal to h కావాలి కదా మనకి h is equal to ఏమైతుంది 1.6 by root 3 minus 1 next denominator ఏముంది మనకి ఇక్కడ root 3 minus 1 that one is rationalizing అంటే ఏమి మైనస్ ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలి సో root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 అంతే కదమ్మా నెక్స్ట్ అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది న్యూమరేటర్ ఏముంది 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 by a plus b into a minus b ఏమవుతుందమ్మా a square minus a square అంటే root 3 whole square minus b square that is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 square की root के 3 ला 1 పోతే ఎంతమ్మా 2 1 जा 2 0.8 that is equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 into meter ఎవరు ఇక్కడ h h means h అంటే ఎవరు అనుకున్నాం మనం ఇక్కడ height of the pedestal ఇక్కడ లాస్ట్ కి therefore height of the pedestal height of the pedestal is equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 into meter సో అప్పుడు దీని యొక్క హైట్ ఎంత ఉందంటే 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 పెడిస్టల్ యొక్క హైట్ స్టాట్ యొక్క హైట్ రెండు యాడ్ చేస్తే టోటల్ యొక్క హైట్ వస్తుంది కదా సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ఓన్లీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ హైట్ ఆఫ్ ది పెడిస్టల్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 very good understand ma anybody any doubt read up I will height of the building and height of the tower that one is building ikkada tower angle of elevation and foot of the tower how many degrees first one how many degrees 30 degrees angle of elevation and foot of the building foot of the building how many degrees 60 degrees how much height of the tower how much 50 meters to find the height of the building height of the building I am assumption h meter the distance means d meter let height of the tower height of the tower is equal to how many meters 50 meters so tower యొక్క ఎత్తు 50 meters similarly I am assumption height of the building 30 meter and height of the building is equal to 80 meter next angle of elevations angle of elevation foot of the building and tower both are same how many degrees 30 degrees comma 60 degrees and distance of the foot of the tower and building distance of the foot tower and building is equal to d meter. Okay. First of all, we take it the triangle 30 degrees, tan 30. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. First of all, we take it 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is equal to, what is the meaning of tan theta? What is the meaning of tan theta?
Opposite side by
Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. Opposite side h, adjacent side. Tan 30 value how much?
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3 is equal to h by d. By using cross product, d is equal to root 3 into h. D value how much?
Root 3
Root 3 into h. Similarly, tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Tan 60 value?
Root 3.
Root 3. Root 3 is equal to 50 by d. ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదు వన్ వేసుకుంటాం. Root 3 into d.
Root 3.
Root 3 d is equal to 50. D is equal to
50.
by,
3.
that is equation 1. That is equation 2. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we get 1 2 observe చేయండి. ఇక్కడ d value how much?
Root 3.
And next to d value
50 by 3.
LHS equal ఉంటే ఆటోమేటిక్ RHS ఈక్వల్ అయితే కదా. Root 3 into h is equal to
50 by 3.
50 by, ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదు వన్ వేసుకోవచ్చా? Root 3 into root 3
3.
3 into h
3h.
3h is equal to
50.
h is equal to
50 by 3.
50 by 3 తో 15 డివైడ్ చేయండి. 3 1 जा 3 1 जा 3 3 6 जा
80.
80.
2.
So h is equal to 16 into 2 by 3 meter. H means what?
Height of the building. Height of the building.
Height of the building. Therefore, height of the building. Height of the building is equal to 16 into 2 by 3 meter. Are you understand, ma?
Yes, sir.
Anybody any doubts? I will explain another one. Of the two equal poles. పోల్స్ యొక్క హైట్ రెండు ఈక్వల్ గా ఉన్నాయండి. ఇప్పుడు ఒక పోల్, హైట్ ఆఫ్ ది పోల్స్ ఏమనుకున్నాం మనము? h మీటర్. టూ పోల్స్ యొక్క హైట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు. హైట్ ఆఫ్ ది పోల్స్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు h మీటర్. నెక్స్ట్ కింద డిస్టెన్స్ 80 మీటర్. 80 మీటర్. ఎక్కడో ఒక సెంటర్ పాయింట్ గా angle of elevation is how many degrees? How many degrees?
60 degrees.
Another pole. How many another pole? 30 degrees. Okay na? ఈ టోటల్ డిస్టెన్స్ 80 మీటర్లు అయితే ఒక పోల్ యొక్క డిస్టెన్స్ ఏమనుకుంటాను నేను? ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ పోల్ యొక్క డిస్టెన్స్ మనం ఏమనుకున్నాము? ఎక్స్. అనదర్ పోల్ యొక్క డిస్టెన్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే ఈ టోటల్లో నుంచి ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ తీసేసినామంటే ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ వస్తాడు. అప్పుడు ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ మనం ఏమనుకుంటాము? 80లో నుంచి ఏం తీసేస్తాం మనము? ఎక్స్ని తీసేస్తే ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ వస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వి టేక్ ఇట్ ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్, ఈ పోల్ యొక్క ట్రయాంగిల్ తీసుకుందామండి. tan 60 ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్, tan 30 another triangle. What is the meaning of tan theta? Opposite side by adjacent side. tan 60 కి ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ ఎవరు ఉన్నారు? h ఉన్నారు. adjacent side x. సేమ్ సిమిలర్లీ tan 30 కి ఆపోజిట్ ఎవరు ఉన్నారు? x. adjacent side ఎవరు ఉన్నారు? 80 minus 8. First of all, to find out height and distance. Let height of the two poles. Two poles is equal to రెండు పోల్ యొక్క హైట్ I am assuming h meter. Are you understand? Next, angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Angle of elevation is equal to 60 degrees, comma 60 degrees to 30 degrees. Next, distance of the first pole. Distance of the first pole ఏమనుకున్నాం మనము x meter. And distance of the second pole. Second pole ఏమనుకున్నాం మనము 80 minus. Okay. Total distance, right? Distance of the foot of the poles and right. No problem. Next, first of all, we take a tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite side this number h, adjacent side x. That is equal to h by x. Tan 60 value how much? Root 3 is equal to h by using cross product. H is equal to root 3 into, that is equation. Same similarly we take it tan 30 degrees and tan 30 degrees is equal to, what is the meaning of tan? Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Adjacent side how much? 80 minus x. That is equal to h by 80 minus x. Tan 30 value? 1 by root 3 is equal to h by using cross product. 80 minus x is equal to root 3 into h. What is the meaning of h value? Substitute. H means what?
Root 3x.
80 minus x is equal to root 3 into h value how much? Root 3 into x. 80 minus x. Root 3 into root 3. How much? Root 3 into root 3.
3x.
How much? Root 3 into root 3. 3 na?
3x.
3. Root 3 into root 3. 3 into x. X. So 80 is equal to e plus minus x transfer చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? 3x plus x. How much?
4x.
80 is equal to 4x. Next, x is equal to 80 by 4. 4 ones are 4 to 80. X is equal to how many meters?
20 meters.
X means 4. Distance of the first pole. Distance of the first pole. Pole is equal to how many meters? Same similarly, distance of the second pole. Second pole what ma?
80 minus x.
80 లో నుంచి x తీసేయాలి. 80 minus x. X అంటే how much? 80 నుంచి 20 పోతే ఫస్ట్ పోల్ యొక్క డిస్టెన్స్ ఏమో 20 మీటర్లో ఉన్నాడు. సెకండ్ పోల్ యొక్క డిస్టెన్స్ ఏమో 60 లో ఉన్నాడు. 60 ప్లస్ 20 టోటల్ డిస్టెన్స్ how much? 80 కి ఈక్వల్ కదా. ఒక పోల్ అక్కడ ఉంది, రెండో పోల్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది. టోటల్ యొక్క డిస్టెన్స్. Same similarly, we find out the height of the two poles. Therefore, height of the two poles h is equal to after continuation. Height of the h pole h is equal to how much ma? Root 3 into that is equal to x value how much? 20 into root 3. H is equal to 20 into root 3. Any doubts ma? One doubt in that? Right. I will explain that. height of the tower. Let height of the tower. Height of the tower ఏమనుకున్నాం మనము x మీటర్. Angle of elevation. Angle of elevation is equal to 60 degrees comma 30 degrees. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ 60 degrees లో చూసినాడు. మళ్ళీ ఏం చేసినాడు, ఇక్కడ నుంచి 20 మీటర్ డిస్టెన్స్ పోయినాడు. మళ్ళీ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఎలివేషన్ హౌ మెనీ డిగ్రీస్ 30 degrees. నెక్స్ట్ distance of the canal. Distance of the canal ఏమనుకున్నాం మనము, distance of the foot of the canal is equal to how many meter? 20 meter. Next, first of all we take it to small triangle. Small triangle under tan 60 na. So tan 60 is equal to opposite side by adjacent. Tan 60 value how much? Root 3. Root 3 is equal to h by. So h is equal to root 3 into how much? H value. H is equal to root 3 into d. Next again we take it tan 30 na. So tan 30 is equal to opposite side how much ma? By adjacent side 20 plus d na. Total amount is adding kada. 20 plus tan 30 value how much? 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 20 plus d. By the cross product 20 plus d is equal to root 3 into h. My h కావాలి 20 plus d by root 3 is equal to h. That is equation. Let h into రాసుకోండి కదా. h is equal to LHS ఈక్వల్ ఉంటే ఆటోమేటిక్ RHS ఏమవుతాయి ఈక్వల్ కదా. ఇక్కడ h ప్లేస్ లో ఏముంది రూట్ 3d నా. రూట్ 3d is equal to ఇక్కడ ఏమమ్మా 20 plus d by root 3 into root 3 into d ఏమవుతుందమ్మా ఇక్కడ చూడు root 3 into root 3 3 నా 3 into d 3d is equal to 20 plus d. 3d లో నుంచి ప్లస్ d ఉంటుంది కదది మైనస్ 3d లో నుంచి 1d పోతే how much మా
2d.
So 2d is equal to d is equal to how much? 2 ones are 2 days. Distance is equal to how many meter? 10 meter. అంటే 10 meter ఏమవుతుంది distance of the canal. Distance of the canal is equal to 10 meter. Similarly we find out height of the tower. Height of the tower h is equal to ఇక్కడ ఏమనుకున్నాం height of the tower h is equal to root 3 into d కదా. So root 3 into d అంటే ఎంత 10 into root 3 meter. Height of the tower is equal to 10 root 3 meter. Next, distance of the canal is equal to how many meter? 10 meter. ఈ distance की canal ఎన్ని మీటర్లు? Height of the tower అని ఇక్కడ tower వస్తుంది. Height of the tower. So height of the tower is equal to 10 root 3 meter. Similarly, if we find out the distance of the canal is equal to 10 root 3 meter. Anybody any doubts, ma? Right. I will explain that. Today, problem application of trigonometry. Height of the pedestal statue ఎంత ఇచ్చాడమ్మా 1.6 మీటర్. స్టాట్యూ యొక్క హైట్ ఎంత ఇచ్చినాడు 1.6 మీటర్. యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఎలివేషన్ హౌ మచ్
60 degrees.
Angle of elevation how many degrees
60 degrees.
60 degrees. Next, pedestal
45 degrees.
how many degrees
45
45 degrees. pedestal యొక్క హైట్ ఏమనుకున్నాం మనము
H meter.
pedestal spelling P pedestal ఇది STA status STA UE statue స్టాట్యూ యొక్క హైట్ ఎంత ఇచ్చినాడు 1.6 మీటర్ స్టాట్యూ యొక్క హైట్ ఇచ్చినాడు తర్వాత పిడిస్టల్ యొక్క హైట్ ని మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి ఫస్ట్ మనం చిన్న స్మాల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ తీసుకుందాం చూడండి స్మాల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ tan 45 tan 45 is equal to opposite side by ఏమేమి ఇచ్చినారు రండి let height of the your height of the statue how many meter 1.6 meter so statue యొక్క height 1.6 meter ఇచ్చినాడు నెక్స్ట్ h ని ఏమనుకున్నాం మనము height of the pedestal and height of the pedestal ఏమనుకున్నాం మనము h meter angle of elevation ఏమి ఇచ్చాడమ్మా 60 degrees కామా 45 degrees 60 degrees కామా 45 degrees ఓకేనా నెక్స్ట్ distance of the pedestal ఏమనుకున్నాం మనము I understand? We take it first small triangle. How many degrees? 45 degrees. So tan 45 degrees is equal to what is the meaning of tan theta? Opposite side by adjacent side is the tan. So opposite side h తీసుకున్నాము adjacent side tan 45 value 1. So 1 is equal to h by d. By the cross product d is equal to h. d ఉన్న చోట మనం ఏ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాము h. ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ we take it big triangle tan 60 degrees అన్నప్పుడు మొత్తం టోటల్ వస్తుందా yes sir టోటల్ అన్నప్పుడు tan 60 is equal to opposite side అంటే both are adding yes sir 1.6 plus h. So tan 60 is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ అంటే ఈ 60 డిగ్రీకి ఎదురుగా ఉండే ఆపోజిట్ అంటే ఫుల్ లెంత్ కదా ఈ లెంత్ అన్నప్పుడు దీన్ని రెండునే యాడ్ చేయాలి నెక్స్ట్ tan 60 వాల్యూ హౌ మచ్ √3 is equal to 1.6 plus h divided by d by using cross product √3 into d is equal to 1.6 plus h. d value how much d ఉన్న చోట ఏ వాల్యూ మనము h is equal to 1.6 plus h. Are you understand? Yes, sir. Next, h value transpose it that side. So √3 into h √3h minus h is equal to 1.6. Which is the common? H common here. H common is same as the √3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. To find out which one, h is equal to 1.6 divided by √3 minus 1. ఇక డినామినేటర్ లో √3 మైనస్ 1 ఉంది రేషనలైజ్ చేయాలి కదా మనం రేషనలైజింగ్ అంటే మైనస్ ఏం చేస్తాం మనం √3 + 1 బై h is equal to 1.6 into √3 + 1 by √3 that one observe a plus b into a minus b ఏమొస్తుందా a square minus b square ఓకేనా a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b. a into the a square minus b square h is equal to 1.6 into √3 + 1 square root again cancel 3 లో 1 పోతే 2 1 जा 2 0.8 जा h is equal to 0.8 into √3 + 1 8 will be therefore h means what height of the pedestal therefore height of the pedestal is equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. Are you understand? Anybody any doubts now? Okay na? Right. I will explain another. 50 meter. Height of the tower is equal to 50 meter. We find out height of the building. Next angle of elevation అన్నాడు. Angle of elevation foot of the tower how many degrees? How many degrees first? 30 degrees. A foot of the building?
60.
Foot of the building 60 degrees. Next distance means d meter. Are you understand diagram?
Yes.
That one. Let height of the tower. Even is now 50 meter. Height of the building. Height of the building is equal to h meters. Tower యొక్క height ఏమో 50 meter. Building యొక్క height ఏమో h meter రాయమ assumption. Next angle of elevations. Angle of elevations is equal to 30 degrees comma 60 degrees. 30 degrees comma
60 degrees.
Distance of the tower is equal to d meter. Are you understand? Next, first of all, we will observe in tan 30 degrees. This triangle చూడండి tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is equal to what is the meaning of tan theta? 30 degrees ఎదురుగా ఆపోజిట్ ఎవరు ఉన్నారు? Adjacent side
D.
h by
D.
Tan 30 value
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3 is equal to h by
D.
By the cross product d is equal to root 3 h. This is the first equation. Are you understand? Similarly, you will observe in diagram tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees opposite. Tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite and divided by adjacent side. Tan 60 value
Root 3.
tan 60 is equal to root 3 is equal to 50 by d. ఇక్కడ ఏం లెక్క చేసుకుంటాం?
1.
By using
Cross product.
root 3 into d.
Root 3D.
Root 3d is equal to
50.
and d is equal to
50 by root 3.
50 by
Root 3.
that is equation
2.
from 1 and 2 from 1 and 2 we get LHS equal ఉన్నాయా?
Yes, sir.
ఇటు సైడ్ d ఈక్వల్ ఉంది, ఇటు సైడ్ d ఈక్వల్ ఉంది. LHS ఈక్వల్ ఉంది ఆటోమేటిక్ RHS
Equal.
ఏముంది ఇక్కడ root 3 h. So root 3 into h is equal to 50 by root 3 into root 3.
3.
Huh? Root 3 into root 3. Root 3. 3 into h. 3h. 3h is equal to
50.
h is equal to 50 by 3 to 15 తగిస్తే 16 into 2 by 3 meter. 3 to 15 డివిజన్ చేయండి. 3 1s are 3. 3 6s are 80. How much? 90. How much height? Quotient into remainder divided by divisible. 16 into 2 by 3 meter. Therefore, height of the building h is equal to how many meter?
62 by 3 meters.
Therefore, conclusion randi kada. Therefore, h is equal to height of the building is equal to 16 into 2 by 3 meter. Anybody any doubts? Problem?
No, sir.
Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Later, I will explain another problem.